Hello patrons, are you taking care of yourself? Taking care of yourself is of premier importance, and I talk about it a lot because this is the FlyLady system, and FLY stands for finally loving yourself, and loving yourself means taking care of yourself. I know so many of you who do everything for everyone else and nothing for yourself. And you think you don't need anything. And it's true, we don't have to have these things, but it makes life so much nicer. And people feel differently about you when you feel differently about you. Okay, so think just think of some examples in your life. Do you know anybody who takes really nice care of themselves? And they don't have to be perfect, but they take care of themselves. They keep their hair looking nice. They keep their makeup nice. They keep their clothes looking in good repair and clean. They wear shoes. You don't have to wear them in the house, but they wear shoes, or their shoes are in good repair. They keep their car clean. They keep their bed made. They keep their house clean. They eat well. A person like that has more time for everyone else because they've taken care of themselves and they're not feeling put upon. And it's a word I use all the time, put upon, and it means that you have too much on your shoulders. And a lot of time that starts with the fact that you're not taking care of yourself, and so when somebody asks you something, it comes with an unusual burden because you really need to be taken care of, and it feels extra heavy to you. But if you've taken care of yourself, then if somebody asks you to do something, it doesn't feel like a burden because you're taken care of. You come from a centered point. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So here's some things I want you to do to take care of yourself. Start with your routines. Make sure you're brushing your teeth twice a day, flossing once a day. Make sure you use some lip gloss or something on your lips. Make sure you clean your face twice a day and moisturize it. Make sure you take your makeup off at night. Clean your ears. Wash your hair regularly. Style it. Don't just let it air dry. Now, curly hair looks really pretty if you air dry it with the right products on it, and even straight hair can look really nice. But if it doesn't look nice, do something to make it look nice. Make sure your clothes are in good repair and that you think about what you're going to wear every day and put that on. You smell good. Your underarms are shaved. You have on some deodorant. You shaved your legs. You put on some lotion. You polished your toenails, maybe your fingernails too. Doesn't matter if it's clear. You have some hand lotion on those hands. You wash your hands after you go to the bathroom. You get to bed on time. You try to sleep that 7, 8, or 9 hours or 6 hours that you need. You eat regular meals. You eat fruits and vegetables. Now I know some of you are on special diets. You get what I'm saying. You try to eat healthy. Can you think of any other things? I know there's lots of them. Do you get entertainment for yourself? Do you get time off for yourself? Are you reading? Do you enjoy that? Are you crocheting or horseback riding or working in the garden? Is there something that you love to do that you get to do? I know you're doing things for other people and you love that, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about for you, things for you. So I want you to do your breast exams. I want you to get your PAPs regularly. Yes, your annual checkup, your twice a year dental cleaning. These things will make you a better you. And I know that saying these things sounds stupid to some of you, and I hope it doesn't. I really do. I hope that some of it's ringing true and that you remember to take care of yourself, because later on, when you're older, you'll look back and you'll say, man, I wish I'd taken better care of myself. I do. I wish I'd protected myself from the sun more so I wouldn't be so wrinkled. Now, the truth is, when you're 65, you're going to have wrinkles. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with that, and there's nothing we can do about it except have a facelift, and I don't want to. So, no. But you know what? These wrinkles wouldn't be as bad if I'd used some care on taking care of myself. There was a time I didn't take care of myself. I did some of those things, most of those things, sometimes, maybe not, okay? But these are the things I want you to do, okay? Now I know some people say, why don't you color your hair, Kat? That's taking care of yourself. Well, I've chosen to grow my gray out, and it's actually grown out. This is actually grown out. It's all the way to the ends. The thing about gray hair on me is that it breaks off about here so it looks like it's growing out all the time, but it's grown out, and that's the way I like it. And see, that's the thing. You get to pick what you like. So you could say to me, Kat, I don't like to wear makeup. That's fine, but take care of your skin. Give it a good clean, moisturize it. You know, oil, people say I have oily skin, I don't want to moisturize my skin. Moisturizing isn't oil, it's moisture. All skin needs moisture. All right, drink your water, get some exercise, get some sun. I know right now it's a little cloudy, especially in Ohio, getting a lot of feedback from folks in Ohio, getting lots of clouds, but you know what? Enjoy the beauty of the beautiful trees in your area. You know, enjoy, find something beautiful to enjoy just for you. Remember, when you look at things and you see them and you take that into your brain, that was designed, that moment, just for you to see it from just your point of view and to put it in your brain permanently, a gift from God. So remember to embrace the day, embrace yourself, embrace your life, and take care of yourself. That's it for today. I want you to always remember now that you are beautiful. So go out and be beautiful.